supposed to be back. And I said that she don't believe. I feel it. It's strange. I traveled down the coast for free. I'm going back there hopefully, where it's warmer. Yeah, it's warmer.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Onyii. I hope you like it here. You can subscribe and turn on your post notification. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I love you guys so much. I'm about to go to the salon. I need to cornrow my hair. After that last braids that I loosened, that Ghana weaving I did, I see my front hair. I have a situation with my front hair, like it got really scanty, so I've decided I'm going to cornrow my hair and wear wig for a long while so that my hair will get back to normal, because this is not okay at all. Like my hair literally moved back, literally. Basically what I'm going to be doing right now. Oh my god, it just started you guys, it just started drizzling. Why now of all times? You could have waited for me to go. I really want to cornrow this hair today. Yo, basically I can't go anywhere right now because the salon I'm going to, where it's located, whenever it rains the entire area gets flooded, and so I'm just going to wait it out. I hope it doesn't take long. You guys, yesterday's rain was really long, but I hope today's one will just rain and stop so that we can go about our normal business, because yeah, I have so many things I need to do today. I'm just going to wait it out. Let me know if it's going to stop after a while. If not, if it doesn't stop after a while, and that means I'll have to postpone it, because there's nothing I can do. Where the salon is located is not like a very good area when it comes to rainy seasons. This rain literally took 2 hours of my time, but it just stopped raining, so I need to head out now. I'll see you guys. guys, I'm back from the salon with this tiny, oh my god. When I reached the salon, this lady literally asked me what size of cornrows do I want, and I told her I needed the big ones because I don't like wasting my time in the salon or in the market or anywhere for that matter. And she said okay, like as if she understood what I was saying, and she went ahead to make this tiny cornrows, which is very neat by the way. But then I was like, if you were going to make it tiny anyway, why did you not ask me the size that I wanted? She said when she started making the hair that it was turning out like this. I'm like, it was turning out like this? I thought it's not the way you divide hair that it will turn out. Anyway, I'm not really complaining, it's just that it took me longer than it was supposed to, but the hair is really neat. And I'm glowing, you guys. I am glowing. Oh my god, look at my front hair now. Just negotiate. Look at my front hair is gone. Anyway, I bought yo you guys, it's been so long I saw these snacks. When Munchies came out newly, they had that onion flavor. I think the packet was green. I didn't like that thing one bit. I'm not a fan of onions, so but when this one came out, it was even my sister Chinyere that introduced this one to me, and I saw it today. I was so excited. I say, hi, I must buy because it's been so long. I went to get cheese balls, but the brand of cheese balls I saw was like, I don't understand the brand. It's not the normal cheese ball. So I was like, let me just go with this one. And it's really nice. This flavor is really on point. Like, this flavor is really nice. Like, I love it. I'm really hungry right now. I'm thinking, should I just make noodles and eat first before I start cooking, or should I just go ahead and cook since I already have snacks that I'm going to eat? I don't know, sha. Guys, I decided to make noodles first and eat because I'm really hungry. I've not eaten since morning. We are right here in my kitchen. Let me set you guys down somewhere. So these are the noodles I'm about to make. I like to parboil my indomie. Like, once the water boils now, I'll add the indomie and then I'll sieve out the water before I add the ingredients. I don't know, for me it tastes better that way than normal, just leave everything and cover the pots. Let me know, how do you guys prepare noodles?
High above these clouds with you, I'm not sure where I'm going to, but I have to leave. I can't be tied up in these city lights. I must be free to roam the earth. I know that you might miss me, but all these winding roads are taking me to where I'm feeling I must go. I know I must confess that I don't ever think I'll find my home. I must just be out wandering soul and see.
You're not serious. I'm
not sure if I'll ever come back home to Calgary. No. It's unreal the way these mountains turn to dust, the way each moment turns to unsaving adjustments for the trust between ourselves. Each agreement is a bond, each goodbye takes us beyond this quiet forest. But now I know miss me. But oh, these winding paths are taking me to where I know that I belong. Now I must confess that I might miss this place that I call home. I must just be a wandering soul at sea. I'm not so sure that I'll ever.
Do not judge my 2 eggs, okay? Do not judge me. When we are going to go ahead and eat now.
No.